Hello, welcome everyone. So this is Ugreen Desktop Laptop Stand. So this is a little aluminum stand for laptop and MacBook, whatever it is. So I just bought this and thought of doing unboxing and reviewing about this product. So let's go and unbox this. Here, I think we have to open it from here. This is a little box here. So this is how it is packed, and let's take it out from the cover and put this all away. So inside the box there's nothing any special. So this is how it looks. It is all made of aluminum, and so here you can see the brand name Ugreen, and oops, it's made of a pretty good quality. The quality feels premium, and the color is a space gray. So I haven't used it. I haven't used this product till now. I think I have to figure it out. As you can see in the box, so this is the how it is in the previous state, and in this way we have to pull it down. Number 2 and number 3, we have to pull out another stand for the height, and this is how we complete the state. There's the final stand is this, and as you can see, specifications: aluminum alloy and silica gel. So this is the dimensions, and this and this. So they say that this stand can hold up to 20 kg. So this is it, and let's go. And as we have to pull it like this, and secondly we have to put the second stand and adjust it as you need it. So this is how it should be. So in this way you can adjust this, and so let's go and get my MacBook. So this is my MacBook Pro 2012. So this is how you put it, and yeah, there you go. So in this way you can put your laptop and do your work and avoid low screen and avoid neck pains. So this is it. After you have used it, you can just close this like that and carry this thing with yourself in your baggage. So this was the little Ugreen laptop stand review. So thank you guys for watching, and do subscribe, and please like and comment. Thank you for watching.